Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to do a not a monthly, like a maintenance to my front loading washing machine here. So this is the LG 8.5 5 kg washer and dryer 2-in-1 combo here. So I'll show you the overview of this model in my last video, so I'll link it down in my video description below so for you to watch. And for this video we're going to do a quick maintenance, so you should do this about 2 to 3 months every time. And then yeah, so you need to open this cover out and then let the water flow out from the inside there. So we're going to do just that today. Let's go. Just set the camera right, and then so I'm gonna take this pipe out and then let it drain. So it's might get dirty, so you need to be prepared for that. So I have a bucket here just to let it flow out itself. So it's pretty tight. Yeah, it's actually flowing a lot of water here. So let it drain out. So previously I've already washed the tube with a chlorine based cleaner, but I don't think that's good given the rubber cover in front. So I'm worried that in the long run it might degrade it. So I try not to wash it too much. So and then let's put it back. There we go. Looks clean, probably because last time I used the cleaner. And let me show you my cleaner that I used. Bought it from Daiso. This is the one. And you have to actually add the full bottle of it in this washer every time when you want to wash the tube. And it's quite smelly because of the chlorine. And then the other thing we wanted to do is open this out also. Just open it out. Yep, and then clean this up. So I'm going to clean this. Probably what we should do is also open this again and see if there's any water coming out. Could be. I mean, very little. But yeah. And just put it back. And then I get some clothes. Get some clothes to clean the water. Right, and then wash this off. Let's see. And it looks good now. So we're gonna put it back. And make sure it's tight. Yep. And then, so in this case, I have a green mark that matches here. So I guess that's the signal you can take, and then put this back. So make sure you do this every 2 to 3 months, and so that you can extend the life of your front loading washing machine. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find this useful, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.